people are not only concerned with the money aspect of the divorce, they're concerned about public exposure, whether they are a private person in business or they're a celebrity or an athlete. People wonder, is the public going to find out about my divorce? Is the press going to find out about my divorce? If I go to the downtown Los Angeles Superior Court, are there people going to be able to walk in the courtroom? How do we protect people from their divorce becoming public?
There are some ways to do it. I mean, any divorce case is a public case, and anything that's filed in that divorce case is part of the public file, generally speaking, that anyone can go into that courthouse, open the file up, and look at it. Now, celebrities have been found a way of keeping their divorce cases private. They're smart enough to know that their image is so important to them that they're going to keep all of their stuff out of the public court file. Us private individuals aren't so savvy about that, and we end up airing all our dirty laundry out in court with all these terrible accusations that are made against each other, and they're all there in the courthouse to see. And, you know, hey, if it's a private individual, probably nobody cares. The press certainly doesn't care about that divorce, but there are some people who do care, and that's the children. When they become adults and they want to know, why did Dad leave Mom? How did that really go down? They might go back to that court file and look at that stuff. And do you really want your kids reading those kind of things?
This is how do we keep our divorce private, and what are some of the techniques we use? And one of the more modern methods is to use private judicial officers to litigate the cases, to mediate the cases. They provide a lot of options for us. And while technically, if you're going to a private judge, they are, quote, public proceedings, generally people do not attend. I've never had anybody attend one of those. They can be handled in private. They can be done with a court reporter or without a court reporter. And you still preserve your rights on appeal. So depending on the client and what they want, there are a lot of options. I would say one of the things we do is start with mediation to try and resolve the case privately out of court, whether it's a private courtroom or a public courtroom.